Hi, I'm Doug McDougall, General Manager at Sisley for Honda. And one thing that we have here at Sisley that a lot of dealers don't have, most of our cars are trade-ins. And we're in Thornhill, so we get a lot of vehicles that where the customer has bought, serviced, and returned the vehicle to us. We call those Sisley Originals, and I have one of those behind me right now. I have a one owner, no accident, Sisley original car. This car is 2016 LX all-wheel drive with only 82,000 kilometers on it. Now, having said that, I have the paint meter here, and the beauty with this paint meter is factory paint usually comes up on the paint meter between 3.5 to 5. We have one painted panel on this car, and I'm gonna show it to you. It is accident free, but for some reason the one panel got painted, and I'm going to show you what it is, because we're trying to be transparent so that you know exactly what you're buying. So this car is also kind of nice because it's got two sets of wheels. It's got the snow tires on steel wheel that's on the car right now, and best of all, it's got the original wheels with all-season radials that are bagged in the back of the car, and we'll show you those when we're finished our walk around. I just want to do the paint meter first, and I'm going to start on the driver's side rear quarter, and Sarah's going to show you this reads 4.5. That's a factory panel. I'm going to do the rear door, it's 4.5. I'm going to do the driver's door, it's 4, so that's original. This is the panel that we found was painted, and this says 11. Quite a bit different than the factory. 6.5, it ranges from 6.5 to 11. I know that this front quarter has been painted. We're going to show you under the hood, just to make sure that that's all it was. That there is no trauma inside the hood. The front hood is 5. I can't do the bumper because it's plastic. This only works with metal. And we're going to continue down this side of the car. Now, I wonder, does this panel been painted? No. So the passenger side front quarter hasn't been painted. This is the passenger front door. This is the passenger rear door, 3.5 to 4. It's factory. Go back to the rear quarter. It's 4. It's factory. Rear hatch, 5, it's factory. 3.5 to 5, 4.5, it's all original. Now we'll go through the car. So out of all the panels on this car, that little guy there got painted. So what we're going to do is we're going to open the hood, and we're going to see, I don't know why, but I keep opening the gas tank instead of the hood. Sarah's going to show you how much tread is on the snow tires, and when we get to the back of the car, we'll show you what the tread is like on the all-season radials. We're underneath the hood here, and I'm looking inside the rear quarter that got painted to see if there's any crumpling or any type of any sign of any kind of accident, and I don't see one. So I think what happened was it got scraped. Somebody may have brushed against it. I'm not sure. The headlight also looks original on both sides. I think it was cosmetic, but we're trying to be transparent, and we are, right? So we're pointing it out to you. I think you're better off buying a car that you know a little bit about rather than one that you don't know anything about. So that's why we're showing you. All the hood stickers underneath the hood are showing, so that shows that it's all original also. And we'll just go down the side. I see a little mark here on the hood that needs touching up and polishing, and I think we'll do that because otherwise it's in incredible condition. We'll just go down the side here. See a little tiny mark there that we'll have to work on. I'll open up the interior. This has light gray, so it's a little contrasting. Being an LX all-wheel drive, very tasteful inside. It's the condition that counts in used cars. You notice Honda, you see how that door, it almost opens 90 degrees. Only Hondas have that, and that gives you easy ingress into the back seat. We'll go to the back, and we're getting down to where the all seasons are. And oh, I'm trying to open it from another spot. So we'll get the camera here on the tread or the tires. I would say 2 need replacing. We will be replacing the two tires. The 2 are like new. The 2 aren't. We'll replace those. We'll pull that down, and we'll go around the rest of the car. During this crisis, during the COVID crisis, we've had to change how we sell cars. One thing is we're selling remotely, which is why we're doing this video on this car. We're also couriering paperwork to the customer, negotiating on the phone. We're trying to make it as easy as possible for people to do business. And best of all, if you were to buy this vehicle, we'll deliver it right to your home on our Sisley Hino flatbed truck. If you happen to live in Alliston, we'll send it there. If you're in Peterborough, we'll bring it to your driveway in Peterborough. And the best part is you'll have a 7-day exchange guarantee on the car. So if we drop it off and you drive it and it's not what you think it is, you can exchange it with many other pristine Sisley automobiles that we have on our used car lot. Thank you for watching the video. Hopefully we've informed you.